So, you want to make pro AI videos with just one click? Let's break down exactly how to do it. You know how making AI videos can be a total grind, right? All that prompting, image making, editing. Honestly, it's a huge hassle. It can totally kill your creative flow when you just want to get started. But what if you could skip all that with one click? Yeah, that's what we're going to check out. We're just going to need two main tools for this: ChatGPT for the story and Magic Light AI for the video. All right, first things first, we need a story. And for that, we'll use the awesome and free tool ChatGPT.
You can just give it a simple prompt, even in Hindi like this one, for a quick 100-word story.
And boom, ChatGPT writes a story for you instantly. All you got to do is copy the whole thing. Okay, script's ready. Now for the fun part. Let's jump over to Magic Light AI and make our video. And this part is super simple. You just paste that story you copied right from ChatGPT. Then you pick your video format. For shorts or reels, you'll want to go with portrait mode. You also get to pick a visual style. There are a bunch, like 3D cartoon or even Disney style. Now this is cool. There's an autocast feature that actually creates characters for you based on your story. So yeah, the AI does it all. It analyzes the text, makes images, adds audio, and edits everything together. And right before you finish, you can throw in subtitles and pick some copyright-free music too. Then you just hit generate, and in about a minute, boom, your video's ready to download. Okay, so making the video is easy, but the real question is, can you actually make money with this? Well, get this. Channels using this exact method are pulling in 1 to 2 lakh rupees every month. Take the Social AI channel, for example. It's getting hundreds of thousands of views with this stuff. And here's the proof, right here. That super thanks button means the channel is 100% monetized. So really, what we're looking at is a crazy simple shortcut for new creators to get started.
It really makes you wonder, right? How are tools like this going to change content creation for all of us?